you're studying for the Property and Casualty State Exam, this one's for you. Today's video is about two important legal concepts that people tend to mix up: contract of adhesion and a unilateral contract. I'm going to break it down and simplify it for you so you understand the difference. First up is a contract of adhesion. This is where one party writes the contract and the other party can take it or leave it, meaning it's adhesive, right? It's stuck, hence the name. The insurance company writes the policy and the applicant either has to accept it or walk away, right? They have no say in the wording of the contract. Think of it this way. You cannot agree to a car insurance policy, right, that has a $200 premium and then get home and decide, you know what, I'd rather pay a $50 premium. No, that contract is stuck, right? It's adhesive. And that goes hand in hand with the concept that any ambiguities in a contract are going to go in favor of the insured because the insurer wrote the contract. So if there's any unclear language, courts are generally going to rule in favor of the policyholder since they didn't write the language. So remember, adhesive, it's stuck. Ambiguities goes with questions with contract of adhesion, A and A. Next up, a unilateral contract. This means that only one party makes a legally enforceable promise. So think un is one, right? One party, the insurance company, is legally bound to adhere to what's in that contract. The insured is not legally required to do anything. Yes, the insured should pay their premiums, right, to keep that policy active. But the term unilateral means that one party is legally required. If the insured doesn't pay the premium, that policy is just going to get canceled. But as long as that premium is paid, the insurance company is legally bound to pay those covered claims. If you have an active homeowner's policy, and God forbid your house burns down and it's covered under your policy, the insurer is legally required to pay that claim. So for unilateral, remember it's one, un, and it's questions about being legally required or legally bound. This is why these terms can get confusing. Both questions can say things like one party. Remember, contract of adhesion, it's stuck. The insured cannot change the terms, and that's why any ambiguities would go in favor of the insured. Unilateral, think one, and it's any questions related to being legally bound or required, right? It's a one-sided enforceable promise. Make sure to follow us for more exam tips and check out our website if you're looking for additional study resources. We have a full on-demand program where I teach you every single chapter, study guides, practice exams, anything you're looking for to help you out. I'm always rooting for you, and I'll put our link below for our website.